Hi, welcome. This is Attila with 3 Red 7 at Full Court Press. Got some friends coming in from Scotland. The one thing they were asking for is for some real Texas food. So, well, we do a lot of things on Lake Conroe, Texas. That's where I'm from. That's where I live. It's my daughters. Do a lot of fishing, hang out with the lakes. A lot of great wildlife out here, But Texas, on my block, let's get to breaking bread. That's what we do. We cook. Let me show you what's on my grill. You wanted to know how we do what we do. So this week, past 3 or 4 days, we did the smoked chicken. We wrapped that, put that in the back. We did the pork shoulder, smoked and wrapped it after smoking it for a while. Some tenderloins up there. But this is the short ribs. They got just dry grilled and wrapped up and just waited until they kind of stewed in the back. Now we had a duck, a rosemary smoked duck. We do this very often. You can hunt for duck here. Go to the shore somewhere. There's rules and stuff. And okay, so for the family grill, we did some thin sliced pork chops, some chicken tenders, just basic salt and pepper. Tried to keep it real plain Jane for the kids. Somebody throwing some boudin. Came out fun. That disappeared so fast. The smoked sauce. These are the sauces, chicken skewers. I did the dry rub. The dry rub is a brown sugar blend. It's got all the spices and all the herbs in it, and I'm switching back and forth between the dry rub and this barbecue sauce. Flavors extra added on there, and in the sauce. In this case, we wanted to put a little crust on it, like a little honey sugary kind of crust, so we did a little pre-rub blend for a sauce, and that's just putting little truffles in that, Anyway, we just straight dipped these thighs right in that sauce bowl. It was sitting down that log, and just threw it out there. The jalapeno poppers, man, it was weird how the cream cheese didn't run out anywhere. I don't know if it was the brand or I'll double check what that is, but even the sideways ones, look at the mold at the end, you can see it's just like a perfect cream cheese figure. What happened here? I mean, nothing drained out, not one little bit of cheese lost. And these thighs, just covered them in that dry rub, that brown sugar mix. Just, oh, wow. And kept saucing it, everything, dipping it in there, pouring that on it. The tenderloin got dry rubbed and then full wrapped and put in the bag. But those are the boneless chicken thighs. And here's on top there, you can see the ribs. They're all wrapped up already. But these chicken legs, holy cow! They won the award. The sauce just was so sweet. It went so perfect with them. We wrapped them and then took them out. Well, after we took them out, then we covered them in the brown sugar mix, and it's got a little cornmeal in it to help give it some crunch. And oh man, it's got a crunch. It's outstanding. Anyway, we eat right, that's for sure. I'm telling you, we'll see you, Kush, Khalifa, Hazel. See you soon in Texas.